Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the game lighting block now. Select it in Piggy Build mode and drop it where you need consistent illumination. Once placed, make sure to power it on, toggle the block, and set intensity to 1/2 or another value so shadows behave predictably. You should also align rotation and elevation to avoid clipping. This controls where highlights fall. Doing this early prevents rework later and gives you immediate visual feedback as you continue building. Next, configure the block's properties to shape the scene. Change range and intensity, then pick color temperature to set mood, warm for cozy, cool for clinical. Once done, tune falloff and shadow settings to avoid harsh edges and set shadow bias if you see acne-like artifacts. Make sure to group lights or assign channels when you want synchronized behavior, and connect triggers or timers so lights respond to player actions. This prevents manual toggles and creates dynamic environment. Finally, test and play mode and walk through problem areas to confirm visibility and performance. Move the player and watch how lighting reacts. If frame rate drops, optimize by reducing intensity or range, or switch non-critical lights to baked mode. This preserves look while saving CPU. If you see flicker or dark seams, make sure to adjust shadow bias, remove overlapping lights, or slightly reposition blocks. If problems persist, revert recent changes and reapply settings in smaller steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.